Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. XML, Extensible Markup Language, is a widely used data format for structuring and storing data. When working with XML in Python, you may encounter empty elements, which are XML elements without any content between the opening and closing tags. Handling empty XML elements is an essential part of XML processing, and in this tutorial, we will explore how to work with them using Python. We will use the xml.etree.ElementTree module, which is included in the Python standard library, to parse and manipulate XML data. If you haven't already, you may want to install the lxml library, which provides a more feature-rich XML parsing experience compared to the standard library's ElementTree. Let's start with an example XML document that contains empty elements. In this XML, the email/element is an empty element. To work with XML data in Python, you need to parse it. Here's how you can parse the XML document using the standard xml.etree.ElementTree module. Now that we have parsed the XML data, we can handle empty elements. To check if an element is empty, you can use the element object's find method and then verify if the found element has no text content. Here's an example. In the code above, we use the find method to locate the email element and then check if it's empty by verifying that it has no text content. You can modify empty elements by assigning text content to them. For example, to set a value for the email element. Now, the email element will no longer be empty, and it will have the text content john@example.com. To add new empty elements to the XML, you can use the element constructor and the append method. This code will add a new empty phone element to the XML. If you want to remove empty elements from the XML, you can use the remove method. For example, to remove the email element if it's empty. This code will remove the email element if it is empty. In this tutorial, you learned how to handle empty XML elements in Python using the xml.etree.ElementTree module. You can detect, modify, add, and remove empty elements to manipulate XML data effectively. Empty elements are a common part of XML documents, and understanding how to work with them is essential for XML data processing. ChatGPT